Hey everyone, welcome back to PCDoneRight. Today I'll show you how to download and run Nginx with PHP. No setup needed. First, we'll click the link in the description below. Download the file and wait until it's done. Next, open the file location and extract the zip file. Make sure the folder is on your C drive, or it won't work properly. Now, open the Nginx folder and look for kickstarter.bat. Run it. And when it asks for a password, type PCDR. You can close the music if you don't like it. Type 1, press enter, and wait for it to finish loading. Once it's running, just minimize everything. Now open your browser and type localhost or press Ctrl and click on the link shown. And there it is, Nginx is running. Now let's test PHP. Make sure your project files are placed inside the Files folder found in the Nginx directory. That's where your websites and PHP projects should go. As you can see, it's working perfectly. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. And remember, do it once, do it right with PCDoneRight.